So children, in the first video we have seen example 1 of chapter statistic. Now the second example is the production of soybean per acre in quintal obtained by 30 farmers in Rajpur is given below. So these are the production of soybean per acre is given, and now about the 30 farmers. So one by one we will read it out. 9, then 7.5, 8, 6, 5.5, 7.5, 5, 8, 5, 6.5, again 5, then 5.5, 4, 4, 8, 6, 8, 7.5, 6, 9, 5.5, 7.5 and 8, again 5, 6.5, 5, 9, 5.5, 4 and 8. In this way production of soybean is given. So as I told you, we have to prepare the frequency table. So first column will be frequency, that is production per acre, frequency xi. Second column is of tally marks. Third column number of farmers, that is fi, and the last column is product of fi into xi. So first of all, in ascending order we will write all the productions: 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7.5, 8 and 9. Now 4 occurs how many times? That many times we will count here and we will write down in the number of farmers. So 4 occurs 3 times. So tally marks is 3, and product of fi into xi, that is 3 4s are 12. Now 5 occurs 5 times. So tally marks are 5. This 4 and this will diagonally will be fifth one. So 5 5s are 25. Then 5.5 occurs how many times? 4 times. So 4 tally marks, and 4 into 5.5 is 22.0, so 22. Then 6 occurs 3 times. So frequency is 3 and 3 tally marks, and 3 6 are 18. Now 6.5 occurs how many times? 2 times. So 2 tally marks, and 2 into 6.5 will be 13.0, so 13. Now 7.5 occurs how many times? 4 times. So frequency, what to write now in number of farmers? 4, and 4 tally marks. Now 4 into 7.5 is 30, 30.0, that is 30. Now 8 occurs how many times? 6 times. So 6 tally marks. 8 occurs how many times? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 tally marks there will be. So children, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one will be 5, and one more you have to draw here, 1 tally mark. Now 6 8s are 48. So 48 now. Now 9 occurs how many times? 3 times. So 3 tally marks. That will be 3 into 9 is 27. Now total frequency n is equal to what? 30. It should be 30 because number of farmers are 30. And product, that is this sum of all the products, that is sum of fi into xi is equal to 195 now. Now we have to find the mean. Mean x bar is equal to sum of fi into xi upon n. So 195 upon 30 is what? 6.5. Hence average production of soybean per acre is 6.5 quintal. Okay. Now we will solve the next practice set 11.1 first question. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of sapling planted by each student. So first column is number of scores, that is number of saplings in scores xi. Ascending order we will write all the numbers 1 2 3 4, and here number of students, that is frequency fi. So frequency here 4, 6, 12 and 8 it is given. Then product fi into xi, 4 into 1 is 4, 6 2s are, this will come 12, 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32, and now total frequency n is 30, and sum of fi into xi is sum of all the products, that is 84. So here in this box you will write 84. Now we have to find mean x bar. So total x bar means what? Sum of fi into xi upon n. So sum of fi into xi we have taken out as 84. So 84 upon n is equal to 84 upon 30. N is what? 30. So write down here 30. 84 divided by 30 is what? 2.8. Therefore the average number of trees planted is 2.8. 8. Okay, now let's come towards the next example. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. So children, here you have to draw this table first and fill these values and write down one by one question below it. So see here how many families use 45 units electricity. So here the table has been given. See, electricity used in units, that is Xi, number of families, frequency Fi, and product Fi into Xi. Here we don't have to prepare the table, only to solve the questions. So no telemark column is there. So 30, then 45, then 60, 75 and 90, and the number of families, that is frequency, is given as per there. Now total frequency n is equal to what? 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 is 25. So here it is 25, and Fi into Xi is, you have to take the product of Fi into Xi. 30 into 7, 45 into 2, 60 into 8, 75 into 5 and 90 into 3 as per given here. And you have to take the total, that is sum of all the products of Fi into Xi. So sum of Fi into Xi is 1425, and one by one we will write down the answers of these questions. So how many families use 45 units electricity, then state the score, the frequency of which is 5, find n and sum of Fi into Xi, find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. Okay children, so one by one now you can answer how many families use 45 units electricity. So how you will find out? First, from the table you can find. So how many families use 45 units? Here the frequency is 2. So what you will write as an answer here? 2 families. Then state the score. The next question, state the score, the frequency of which is 5. So whose frequency is 5? Here, that is 75. So we will write down the answer in statement. Then find n and sum of Fi into Xi. This we have calculated. N means total frequency, and sum of Fi into Xi is equal to 1425. Find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. So here you have to find the total, that is mean. Mean here, x bar is equal to sum of Fi into Xi upon n, that is 1425 upon 25, and then we will calculate its answer. So up till now you will finish it here, and one by one we will write down the answers in the next period. Okay children, thank you.